Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. I am the Crypto Crow, and thank you for joining me. Since the 2017 ICO rush and downturn of the crypto market to close out its 4-year cycle, the question has been, what will be the big hype into the new bull market for Ethereum? What will be the X factor that sends it and many other projects into the moon? While I personally believe that DeFi applications on Ethereum aren't really going to help it much, there is a lot to be said for DeFi, as many projects have launched into solid profitability, even against the FUD related to the rampant security issues in the DeFi space. Today, we're going to look at the top 5 DeFi projects with over $1 million in daily trade volume with the most growth over a 30-day period. Before we begin, I want to point out that my personal favorite application, Celsius Network, isn't on this list because they have opted not to pay the insanely high exchange listing fees or the various other fees associated with being listed in many of the data-driven statistics sites out there. However, they have gone from 25 cents up to 50 cents in a recent 30-day period and have enlisted me to exclusively unveil their latest platform, which is coming soon. So make sure you like and subscribe. Starting off the list of the top 5 DeFi projects of the last 30 days with over $1 million in trading volume daily is AirSwap. Founded in 2017 as a joint venture between Consensus and Fluidity, AirSwap is a decentralized exchange that removes the need for order books as the platform enables traders to exchange tokens via a peer-to-peer atomic swap on the ERC20 blockchain. In addition to this, AirSwap offers over-the-counter trading for less liquid tokens as well as non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. With an outstanding supply of 500 million tokens and only 30% of those out to the public, while the remaining 70% are utilized by the team for R&D, compliance, and research and development. 100 million of the ASTs for founders and advisors vest over a 4-year period. AST is currently trading at 7 cents, up almost 18% in the last 24 hours with over $4 million in daily trade volume. Up 437% over USD over the last 90 days and 56% over USD in the last 30 days. I believe that as the crypto market of 2017 begins returning to the space over the bull market cycle, AST has some decent growth potential, though I remain cautious. Next up is REN, formerly known as the Republic Protocol, which is an open protocol that enables permissionless and private transfer of value between any blockchain. REN's core product, REN VM, brings interoperability to decentralized finance, or DeFi. The REN token is used as a bond to run a dark node, which powers the SMPC network. Dark nodes, and those who run them, earn rewards in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Zcash, and other coins for contributing to the network. REN generated $34 million during their offering, which ended in February 3rd of 2018 with over 65% of their total 1 billion token supply going to investors and retaining only 34.8% for the team and development. Currently trading at 16 cents, REN's all-time high was nearly 18 cents just days ago, up 957% from its cycle low of just 1 cent in 2019. Third on our list from the bottom is Kyber Network, KNC, currently trading at $1.71 and up 4.57% over the last 24 hours and up 110% over the last 30 days. Kyber Network is a project that many were bullish on during the last market peak. Kyber Network is a decentralized exchange focused on rapid on-chain execution with over $64 million of daily trade volume for the KNC token and over $373 million liquid market cap. With an original all-time high of $6 back at the start of 2018, KNC is still down 71% overall, but seeing strong growth potential moving forward, up 1,450% since its cycle low of 11 cents on January 29th of 2019. Should KNC return to its all-time high, which appears it is likely, we are looking at a break-even multiple of almost 3.5. Fourth on the list is Bancor, or BNT. currently trading at $1.60 and up almost 20% over the last 24 hours alone. Bancor is working towards a comeback of its own as a marketplace for the exchange of less liquid crypto assets with otherwise limited possibilities for traditional listings due to low supply. With activity in the altcoin space growing, Bancor is showing nearly $9 million a day in trade volume, even with news in June of a 2020 security vulnerability after a smart contract upgrade. With an original all-time high of almost $24 from back on 6/19 of 2017 and still down 93% from that date, it's risen over 1,160% since its cycle low of 12 cents on March 13th of 2020 and growing. Currently sitting with a break-even multiple of 15.37, up over 158% in the last 30 days. Bancor appears to be gaining steam, even up over 550% over the US dollar year to date. Topping off our list of the top 5 DeFi projects in the last 30 days is Aave, or Lend, L-E-N-D, currently trading at 17 cents and up 20.52% in the last 24 hours. Lend has been gaining steady ground through the ebbs and flows of the altcoin market. Lend is an open source and non-custodial protocol to earn interest on deposits and borrow assets with a variable or stable interest rate. With over $11 million in trade volume a day, Lend is an ERC20 token that recently got a mainnet update in June of 2020. With an original all-time high of just 37 cents in January of 2018, the price is only down 51% with a cycle low of 0.003 cents from August of 2019. Still up over 5,500% since its cycle low. It's obvious that with the growth of lending platforms such as Lend and Celsius Network, etc., there is growing interest in earning interest on cryptocurrency holdings. Overall, these DeFi projects, while having been performing well over the last 30 days, in my opinion still have a lot to prove, as smart contract security has been proven to be an issue time and time again in the DeFi space, as too many projects are rushing to capitalize on the interest in the sector. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always be cautious. Amazing gains mean nothing if it all gets wiped away from faulty code exploited by hackers. Until then, have fun and keep researching. I am the Crypto Crow. Crow your coins, and I'll see you again very soon. Thanks for joining me.